Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on 24-hour time worksheet. So this video presents some exercises involved with 24-hour time. Now there is a lesson on this particular topic, so if you're not sure what to do with these exercises, on the next slide there is a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all of these examples. Now here we have two types of examples. Firstly, express each of the following using 24-hour time. So number one, 3:56 a.m. we have to write that using 24-hour time. Now the lesson told us that in order to express a particular time using 24-hour time, we have to have 4 digits. That's really important. The next thing that's important is you look at whether it's AM or PM, and that will tell you the nature of, for example, the first 2 digits when you use 24-hour time. So with this one, for example, that 3, that tells us that it's 3 hours after midnight. So that gives us a hint as what the first 2 digits are. And here we have the minutes, so it's 56 minutes after the 3 a.m. and that gives us a clue about the second 2 digits. Now we'll come down here, for example, to the PM over here. Here we have 1:07 p.m. Now PM is after midday, so that's 1:07 p.m., which is 1:07 after midday. So the 1 tells you that it is 13 hours after midnight. So that'll give you the clue what the first 2 digits are. And here we have 7 minutes after the 1 p.m. Now all these explanations are contained in the lesson, so if you need to go there, please do so. Over here we have to change each of the following 24-hour times to AM or PM. So we've got this one here, we've got a 03 and then we've got a 45. Okay, so the lesson tells us that when we have something like this, that's only 3 hours after midnight. And that'll give you a clue what time of day it is. We move down to here, for example. The 11 tells you that it's 11 hours after midnight, and they are the minutes. This is an interesting one. The 18 tells you that it's 18 hours after midnight, and the second 2 digits tell you the minutes. So it's the same for all of those examples. You have to look very carefully, and as I say, if you're not sure how to proceed, just click on the link contained on the next slide and it will take you to the lesson. So this video has presented just a few examples where we can practice using 24-hour time, and we can change 24-hour time to AM and PM or vice versa.